Want to give your everyday, handmade projects with a high-end, professional look? You can actually achieve it easily right at home. Today, we're using the SewLaVie to show you 3 incredibly useful satin stitch edge finishes. This is our common chiffon fabric. We'll select stitch 3. Set the stitch length to 0.5 and the width to 4.5. Just switch to the overcasting foot and let the edge roll in to prevent fraying. Look at how smooth and fluid the feed is, giving us a beautifully dense, perfectly even satin edge. This also works wonderfully on ultra-thin fabrics like sheer mesh. Gently guide the thread from the front with one hand while holding the fabric with the other. No bunching, no raw edges, just a clean, identical finish on both sides. With stretchy knitting fabrics, you can easily create a playful lettuce edge. Just guide the thread from the front with your left hand and gently stretch the fabric towards you with your right. The tighter you pull, the rippler the lettuce edge will be. You can easily adjust the width and density of stitch 3 to customize your look. Always perfectly even and neat. It can not only overlock edges, but also make exquisite dense overlock applique. Multifunctional and worry-free. At SewLaVie, we believe in simple designs that elevate your creativity. To explore more features, make sure to follow our official channel.